What's up, guys? It's your girl Taija G, and I'm back today with another freaking video. Y'all, your girl just got her VOXBOX in the mail. Y'all already know what time it is. It's time to review some e.l.f. products. Like, woo! Y'all, they gave me 2 products to review, so I'm about to do that right now. If you like review videos, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, alright? So let's go ahead and get into this video because I am dying to show y'all what I got. Come on, let's go. Alright, so the first product I got was a concealer, a 16-hour camo concealer. It is a deep chestnut. Y'all, I've already tested this product, and let me tell you, it really lasts for 16 hours. This thing will not come off. Throw some water on it. Let me show y'all. Look at my hand. Y'all see this? Yeah, it's not coming off no time soon. And it sticks really fast, so I'm gonna need y'all to go ahead and like do what y'all doing quick because whoo, this thing is good. Look at this. And then I have this right here. I have the Tan Latte 16-hour camo concealer right here. Y'all. But this one is probably not for me. I think the deep chestnut is the best one for me. Yeah, I think so. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you guys how the color looks. It's so pretty, y'all. It's so pretty. So this is how it looks like this right here. Isn't this pretty? This is the deep chestnut. I'm going to put it on my skin and show you guys. So hold on just one moment. So this right here is the deep chestnut. Right here. Look how it made my skin look ashy. Like, I was using it earlier. Look at my skin. But these are mixed. Anyways, this is the color right here. It's so pretty. See? And then I'm going to show you guys the next color. And then this is the tan color. Let me get focused in there. This is the tan color right here. Hold on. See this? Y'all, they are so nice and creamy. Very nice and creamy, y'all. And they last 16 hours. So these are a long-lasting wear. Let me read you guys the pamphlet they gave us in here. So it is a 16-hour power, and it helps with application and maximum coverage. In addition, the versatility of the wand allows you to sculpt, contour, and highlight. And the intense pigmentation is full coverage, but won't settle into fine lines, courtesy of its oil balancing formula that leaves behind a power matte finish. So nice, y'all. So cool. So I will be doing another video where I will be doing a makeup tutorial. So I will be using these 2 products in here. These, well, not the 2, but I will be using the deep chestnut in my video. Okay? So look out for that. Also, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I am always uploading on there. I would love for you guys to talk to me, and I'll talk to you back, alright? So that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. I love you all to the moon and back. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more, alright? Like I said, I will be posting a lot more, and that's what I'm doing. I've been posting a lot this month, and I will continue this journey. Alright? Alright, talk to you guys soon. Peace. Bye.